Hello there! Travel is back and travel is expensive. But what if I told you you could travel like a millionaire without spending like one? Here's how to do it. 1. Fly private. Okay, not really. But you can get a taste of what it's like by using a service that gives you access to private jets for a fraction of the cost. How much would a private jet cost? Well, it depends on the distance and the plane size, but you can expect to pay around 1/3 of what a commercial flight would cost. Not only will you have a luxurious experience, but you'll also save time and hassle with no airport security or waiting in line for a drink. 2. Stay in a 5-star hotel for the price of a hostel. There are plenty of apps and websites out there that offer discounts of up to 70% off luxury hotels. And if you're willing to travel during the off-season or shoulder season, you can get an even better deal. And hey, why pay for a private room when you can stay in a shared room and save even more money? Just make sure you bring earplugs. 3. Skip the tourist traps and go local. One way to travel like a millionaire is to avoid the tourist traps and do some local exploring. You'll not only experience the destination like a local, but you'll also save money on overpriced tourist attractions. Plus, you may just stumble upon hidden gems that other tourists don't know about. Ask the locals for recommendations on where to eat, what to see, and what to do. And don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path. You never know what you might discover. And if you want to blend in like a local, learn a few key phrases in the local language. It's always impressive when someone makes an effort to learn a few words in your language. So don't be afraid to give it a try. You don't have to be fluent, just make an effort. 4. Travel slowly. When you travel like a millionaire, you have all the time in the world. Take your time exploring each destination and soak up the experience. There's no need to rush from one place to another. And while you're at your destination, take advantage of the concierge services at your hotel. They'll be able to provide you with insider tips and recommendations on where to go and what to do based on your interests. They can also make reservations for you at popular restaurants or attractions, saving you time and hassle. Plus, they often have access to discounts and other perks that you wouldn't be able to get on your own. Traveling like a millionaire doesn't have to break the bank. By following these tips, you can experience the world in style without spending like a millionaire. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your next trip and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Don't forget to follow for more travel tips and hacks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and share with your friends.